This presentation helps you navigate and understand the GPAD deep dive sheet.
Begin at the top left of the dashboard. Select your locality, Coventry, then choose the PCN your practice belongs to. Next, select your practice and the month you're interested in. Step 2. Understanding the first panel. The first panel displays your practice's ranking over time, represented by the red line. Hover over any red data point to view the ranking for that specific time. For example, compare April this year to April last year to check trends or seasonal variation. The light blue graph shows weighted appointments per 1,000 patient list, a critical metric. Step 3. Exploring total appointments. The next panel provides total appointments for the selected month. It starts with the top line figure for total appointments and breaks it down into GP face-to-face, GP virtual or telephone, other practice staff, face-to-face, virtual, or telephone. The key figure driving ranking and categorization is total appointments per 1,000 weighted population. This figure determines your ranking within the Coventry and Warwickshire system, which includes 119 practices. It also determines your regional ranking in the Midlands. Step 4. Comparing rankings. Below the total appointments panel, find your practice's rank within the Midlands area. Rankings are color-coded. Green, highest quartile. Red, lower quartile. Black, bottom 10 practices in Coventry and Warwickshire. Step 5. Comparing your practice to system averages. The next panels allow comparisons between your practice and the Coventry and Warwickshire system average. Dark blue represents your practice, while regular blue represents the system average. Hover over bars to see values. In this example, GP face-to-face appointments, system average is 118 per 1,000 weighted population, while this practice is 86. GP virtual or telephone appointments, identify the APS and opportunities for improvement. Other practice staff virtual or telephone appointments, compare with system averages and identify gaps. Step 6. Reviewing appointment percentages. The last panel on this row shows the percentage of appointments by staff and mode. Compare percentages, such as this practice, 45% of appointments are other practice face-to-face. System average was 32%. Every practice has a different scenario, but making comparisons is important to understand where there are gaps to explore and perhaps make changes.
Okay, I'll take over from here. Step 7. Practice workforce info panels. The next row focuses on workforce data. The first panel breaks down workforce by GPs, nurses, direct patient care staff, and admin staff per 1,000 population. You can see the color coding. Dark blue, your practice, blue ICB Coventry and Warwickshire, light blue the Midlands region. Use these bars to compare your levels and perhaps explore and identify resource mix changes you could consider and implement. Example, this practice has 0.09 direct patient care staff per 1,000, while the Midlands average is 0.26. Step 8. National Workforce Resource Service Database. The next panel reflects updates in the NWRS database. They have included the NWRS web link for you. Typically, the first 4 fields are green if submissions are provided and are complete. Key fields to monitor here are last login and last modified. Recommendation: log into the NWRS database online quarterly to update any workforce changes. Step 9. Data quality over time. The next panel focuses on GPAD data quality regarding appointment recording and logging. Hover over data points to see details such as March, 12% of appointments mapped to care-related activity or admin and practice categories, compared to the ICB level of 8%. The final panel shows inconsistent mappings and unmapped appointments. Yellow bar, inconsistent mappings. Goal: minimize inconsistency and ensure appointments are mapped to valid activities. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope this guide helps you navigate the GPAD Deep Dive dashboard effectively. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.